This is kind of like a little spin on a steak sandwich, except I'm using portobello mushrooms in place of the beef. All right, so I put a little olive oil in there, and then a nice, generous amount of lemon juice. So I do a whole lemon, and that gives it just such a nice tang. If you didn't have lemons, you could put some vinegar in there. This would also be great with balsamic.
You want to break it down, right?
Yeah, exactly. And then a glug of Worcestershire sauce goes in. I'm a garlic powder fan. You know, it just makes it so easy.
Yeah, garlic powder, granulated garlic, and granulated onions, same deal. Love both.
All right, so we've got our salt and pepper in there, and then you toss in your portobello mushrooms.
And I like gill them. You scraped out the gills.
Yeah. Yep. And I like to let these soak
out a little
for
bit.
about a half hour to an hour. Grill those in a grill pan.
Gotcha.
And then slice them up to go on our sandwich. You want to give those a slice rate?
Sliced steak, sure.
Yeah, and I'll make our dressing while you slice them up. So it's another blue cheese. This is a blue cheese mayonnaise, because I always like steak with blue cheese. Arugula, a little bit of balsamic goes on. Give it some more tang.
Again, no need to make a salad and no calories in the blue cheese. Caramelized onion also goes on the sub.
Yes. So much flavor in that onion.